Tom, come play with me. Give me a minute, Sarah. This game is almost over. But you promised. Just one more level. It is always a minute with you. Mom, I need my history project signed right now.
Anna, what is that?
My project, sign it, quick.
Let me see it first.
There's no time, please.
Anna, I told you to leave it on the counter this morning.
I thought I did. It's not there? No, I need a pen now.
Okay, check the drawer.
Got it. Mom, my tower broke. Can you fix it?
Oh, sweetie, don't worry, we can fix it together.
Mom, my tower broke. Can you fix it?
Of course, sweetie. Let's build it again. Mike, just build it again. I am busy.
Okay, Mom. Good boy. I'll check it soon.
Where is my red tie, Sarah? I need it tomorrow.
It's on the chair, Tom. Watch your step.
Ah, thanks. Grabbing a snack.
The kitchen's a mess. Be careful. I cannot hear myself think. I just need to breathe.
I am going out for a walk. Dad, can we go now?
Now? But dinner is almost ready.
Eat without me. I need 1 hour. Just 1 hour that is mine. Finally, silence.
It has been 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Mom is never late. She is always here for dinner.
I know, sweetie. She'll be here soon.
But what if something happened?
Don't worry. Let's just wait a little longer.
Yeah, she'll be here. Dad, where is Mommy? I am scared.
Hey, it's okay, buddy. She's just running a little late.
But I'm scared.
I know. Come here, I've got you.
We're right here with you, sweetie.
Come on, Sarah, pick up. Please, Sarah, I need you. Why aren't you answering? Straight to voicemail. She turned her phone off. I can't believe this. Ugh, this is ridiculous.
I am coming with you, Dad. We need to find her.
Okay, Anna, but we have to be quick.
I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, grab your other shoe.
Don't leave me alone. I want Mom. Mom, please come back. I'm so scared. Don't go. I need you, Mom.
Think, Anna. Did she mention any place?
No, Dad, I don't remember.
Keep looking. She has to be nearby.
Wait, that house. Could that be her?
Good eye. Let's check. Did you see a woman in a beige jacket? No, sorry. Are you sure? Please, it's important.
Dad, pull over. I see her water bottle on that bench outside the shop.
Whoa, slow down. Are you sure?
Yes, it's right there, Dad. Please, let's go check.
All right, let's go see. This is hers. She was here. Sir, did you see a woman walk towards the big park? Yeah, I just passed her. She went that way. Oh, thank you. Which way exactly? Just down this street and take the next left. You can't miss it. Thanks a lot.
It is so dark here now. Why would she come here alone?
I don't know, Anna. Let's go find her. I don't know, but we have to find her. Sara, is that you? Sara, it is me, Tom.
Tom? Oh my gosh.
I finally found you.
I thought I'd lost you. Tom? What are you doing here?
I was just in the neighborhood and thought I'd find you here.
I'm so glad you did.
Me too, Sara. Looking for you for over an hour. I thought something happened.
I'm sorry, Dad. I was just sitting here.
I was so worried.
I'm okay. I'm right here.